Kuthe ngomnyaka opheleleko ngenyanga kaSewula ikoloyi encane yatshayisana netraka phakathi kwe-Bloemhof ne-Christiana yalumatha umlilo. Boke abantu abahlanu bebangekoloyini babhubha. Ngemva kwenyanga bathathwa imindeni abo yayobangcwaba. Kanti labe kwafuneka bona bathathe iinini zabo zeSwatini bazibuyisele khona lapho zisuka khona. Kwababiza imali engangemali. Umndeni uthi yinengi kungekghonakalo yokuthi amathamba atholakele kola kungaba ngewabantu.
Police were informed what happened to my aunt and dad to identify. They picked up human remains in the car. They notified the police, even the forensic one. Guys, can you look into this? We're picking up human remains here. Can you look into this matter? Meaning, if you discover such now, it means they did not. The sad part is these guys were informed. We need to start the process all over again now. We need to bury again.
Umphathi we-scrapyard uhlathulula bona amapholisa amnikela njani ikoloyi leyo.
The police asked me to come and fetch the car, and we start cutting it up. We found some human remains in the car. We don't know at that stage what it was. Only afterwards, and on the 8th, I went to the police station for my firearm renewal license, and one of the policemen there said he saw me there. Am I the guy who come and fetch the car? I said to him, yes. He asked me, do I know the story about the car? I said, no, they just told me I must come and get a wreck and get rid of it. And he said 5 people burnt in that car to death last year. It's human remains that's in the car that you guys find.
Kanti abasebenzi be-scrapyard basathukiwe, abanye babo bathi nobuthongo abasabazi.
When you start to cut, you go in front of the car, we see piece of the shoe. Inside that shoe it was bones, you see. And when we finished to cut, I go home. I didn't sleep. Even now, my mind is not fine.
Nakusenjalo iphiko lomnyango wezempilo eTlhagwini njengalanga litsheje ukususwa kwendumbe endaweni yesehlakalo lithi iphenyo lisaragela phambili.
Our forensic team indeed responded to the scene on that fateful day. However, some of the speculations about what could have happened or how the scene and the remains of the deceased were handled on that day will need further investigation.
Kanti namapholisa wesifundesi athi iphenyo lisaragela phambili.